यानंतर आपण थेट राज्यसभेमध्ये जाऊयात.
Sir, 30 seconds. It will, in fact, dishonor the decision of the Constitutional Assembly and framers of the Constitution. The Constituent Assembly, after nearly 3 years of exhaustive deliberation, consciously refrained from placing national song and national anthem on the same constitutional footing. Had the framers intended both to enjoy identical legal consequences, they would have expressed.
Thank you.
So provided. So my contention is that they cannot manufacture patriotism and nationalism through a piece of legislation. Their intention is to polarize the society.
Thank you.
They should
No, it's over. You have taken more time. Shriman Santosh Kumar P. Shriman Santosh Kumar P.
Sir, the intention is very clear at this point of time. This is to distract the public attention from the ongoing student agitation demanding Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation.
No, you speak on the subject. No, you have to speak on the
I am going
subject.
to speak you.
Please.
So the intention is very clear. Sir, the core point is that Vande Mataram should unite Indians, it should not divide us. And the leaders of India's freedom movement, including Rabindranath Tagore, had understood this. That is why it was confined to 2 stanzas only. And these people who betrayed India's freedom movement,
Confine yourself to
Why can't you-
No, you are
for a
opposing
single
the
minute,
bill.
no.
It's introduction
I
stage.
am, it's mine.
Please.
No. Those people who had betrayed
You
India.
can oppose on the
I am
constitutional
coming, sir, I am
issue.
coming to the point. No,
Yes, come.
those people who had betrayed India's freedom
Please
movement are.
confine to the point. I'll move.
No.
You speak on the objections at this stage.
Sir, the point is that
Consider
now,
stage, you can come to the point.
now let me tell you, they're manufacturing, Sir, I love Vande Mataram, but I oppose this because they are purposefully manufacturing a division between Rabindranath Tagore and Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Minister. Nothing? Okay. You want to say something?
मैं स्पष्ट रूप से कहना चाहता हूँ कि यह हमारे विपक्ष के विकास जी और जो भी विरोध कर रहे हैं और गुमराह कर रहे हैं। 24 जनवरी 1950 को माननीय डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी ने कहा था कि राष्ट्रीय जनगणमन के सम्मान ही सम्मान दिया जाएगा। राष्ट्रीय गीत को भी और यह गुमराह कर रहे हैं, इसे मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ कि इस पे
Thank you. Now the question is that the leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Shri Nityanand Rai.
माननीय महोदय, मैं विधेयक पुनर्स्थापित करता हूँ।
You introduce the bill. Thank you. माननीय सदस्यगण, कृपया अपनी जगह बैठे, बहस चलने दें. Please, the House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. on Monday, the 27th July 2026.
तर राज्यसभेचं कामकाज सोमवारी सकाळी 11 वाजेपर्यंत तहकूब करण्यात आल्याची माहिती मिळतेय. विरोधकांच्या गोंधळातच एक विधेयक सादर झालेलं आहे. राज्यसभेत वंदे मातरम विधेयक सादर झालेलं आहे आणि विरोधकांचा गदारोळ सुरू होता. धर्मेंद्र प्रधानांच्या राजीनाम्यासाठी विरोधकांनी मागणी केलेली आहे. सत्तावीस तारखेच्या 11 वाजेपर्यंत सोमवारच्या 11 वाजेपर्यंत राज्यसभेचं कामकाज तहकूब करण्यात आलंय. सोमवारपर्यंत राज्यसभा तहकूब करण्यात आलेली आहे. आपण सातत्यानं पाहतोय अधिवेशन सुरू झाल्यापासून सातत्यानं लोकसभा आणि राज्यसभेचं कामकाज तहकूब करण्याची नामुष्की ओढवते.
एबीपी माझा, उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.